On April 24, 2026, an Arkansas state trooper observed a driver speeding through an active work zone on U.S. Highway 412 near Tontitown. What started as a routine traffic stop quickly escalated into a high-speed pursuit, reaching more than 140 miles per hour. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
.764 Young San Adam. We're still going. Hey, can you hear me?
46, there's a single vehicle 1038, just near 43 location. I'm going to get out and push it real quick.
Is it just you in there? Are you by yourself? Sounds like a female, but I can't see or hear anything. I can't get the flash. Let me go get my window punch and some gloves. You can just watch it. See if you can get any light.
How many people are in the car?
How many people's in there? How many people's in there? How many people are in the car with you? Is it just you, or is there other people in there? Hey, cover your face. We're going to bust the window.
We're trying to extract. Lift on the top. We think we have at least one of the head occupant, but we're trying to break him out.
Yeah, there's a female right there. I don't know about anywhere else. One occupant, female. I want to try to punch this window. I think there's too much pressure on it for it to shatter. Okay, we're trying to get you out. Huh? Are your legs pinned? Okay. Here's what I'm going to have you do. Look this way and cover your face, okay? I'm going to bust that window over there. She's strapped. She's strapped. It's like the headrest has her back pinned. Yeah, well, she's like right there. But, yeah, she's like right there. But yeah. Here, I've got a crowbar. There. Yeah. Let's get your crowbar. All right. Okay. Well, we've got an ambulance coming. Okay. If you can't, don't try to miss it, okay?
The seat is fully pitted.
Okay. I got you. What's your name?
I'm panicked.
Panicked?
I didn't mean to run. I panicked.
Okay. Hey. What's your name?
Krista Bunch.
Bunch?
Bunch.
Okay. What's your birthday?
3/27/06.
Okay. They're just trying to get you out, okay? Keep talking. You're okay. You're talking to me. Just got you in the car, right? Nobody else is with you?
No, what?
Just you? Okay. Okay.
I was trying to get to work because I was super late and I panicked.
Where do you live, Trista? Where do you live?
Rogers.
Okay. All right.
I was running like 40 minutes late, and so I just was panicking.
Okay. And when you saw the blue lights, you just...
What?
When you saw my blue lights, you just
I
panicked?
saw the lights and I panicked.
Okay.
I knew I was going to pull over, but I panicked and I just...
22, go ahead.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right.
We just got one in the car. She's 10-4. 10-4, confirming only one person. Single occupant female. She's conscious and talking. We just can't get her out.
She's really lightheaded.
Okay. We've got an ambulance coming.
Okay.
They're coming.
The seat is fully fitted here.
I know. Can you feel your legs at all?
I can feel my legs.
Okay. All right.
I've never been pulled over before, and so I just panicked.
Well, you're still talking to me, so that's a good day, okay? Where's my EMS at? Hey, Trista, so you can't crawl out at all?
No.
Okay.
It's hitting me by the
41,
ribs.
confirming here around to the accident. That's a rough left.
What?
I can
That's
feel it
all I
pressing
want.
down.
Okay, all right.
The driver was extracted and transported to Washington Regional Medical Center, where she was medically cleared before being booked into the Washington County Detention Center. Krista Bunch was arrested and charged with reckless driving, improper or unsafe lane usage, felony fleeing by vehicle, speeding more than 15 miles per hour over the limit, and first-degree criminal mischief. Her bond was set at $1,500. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.